Hey there, Nick Marks here. In this video, we're going to be going over Mca Training for Beginners 2018. So, you just got started with Mca and you're looking for some tips or tricks on how to get started with Mca. So, in this video, that's what we're going to be covering. Excuse the background noise there. So, the first thing you need to understand is in this business, you need to brand yourself. It's the number one key. You need to brand yourself. The easiest way to get branded is through your Facebook profile and actually YouTube. First, we're going to be going over how to brand yourself through Facebook. Number one, you need to be professional. The things that you start posting from now on, you want to keep professional. Don't post cat memes and cute dog pictures and that kind of stuff. You want to keep it to professional, just keep it professional, or if you can't keep it professional, then you need to create a second Facebook account that's just going to be for your business, okay? Now, what you're going to do then is, you might wonder, well, what kind of business stuff do I post? You can simply search on Google for business quotes or success quotes or money quotes, and then you'll click on images, and that will take you over to get some images. Let's see if I can take you over here on my PC. Let's see, hold on one second, just on my computer here. Let me see if I could switch this over. No, let's see, hold on. So if we were to go money quotes, I'm just on the computer here, I'll switch it over in a second. Okay, let's see if you can see that. So that's money quotes right there. And then you're going to click on images, and then you'll see a list of all the different images. So then you'll just click on you'll just save the image, and then you'll post it to your Facebook profile. That's just kind of a simple thing you can do, or you could just look up quotes and post the text, something like that. And then you want to post personal pictures of yourself. You want to do some kind of tips, some kind of business tips, and talk about your life story. We want to keep it personal, but people also they buy from people they know, like, and trust. So you want to tell people about yourself also. Me, myself, I've been in Mca for several years. Before I started in Mca, I was actually really down and out. I didn't have any money at all. I didn't have a car. I didn't even have a place to stay, really. So Mca changed my life with doing the training that I'm telling you in this video, and with Mca it really turned my situation around. So if you actually want to join my team, I could train you for free. If you're a part of my team, just all you need to do is click on the link below and get started with me on my team. Follow me on Facebook, and also like and comment on this video, and tell me if you want some more of this type of videos, and I'll help you guys out more. Alrighty, till next time, we'll talk to you soon.